Hey guys, it's Daiji here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing kind of like a how-to video. I feel like recently now everyone kind of knows how to do makeup, but I think it's still fun to kind of do how-to videos. So today we're going to be doing a how-to halo eye. Even if you know how to do a halo eye, even if you know how to do makeup, you can still watch this video. Maybe tell me some things that I do differently than you, some things that I can change, because not that I am like this person who feels like they can give makeup advice, but everyone does it differently. So it's just cool to see how other people do it, and maybe if you don't know how to do a halo eye, you can learn through this video. And like I said, if you already know how to do it, maybe you can give me some tips and tricks down below. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to achieve a halo eye, then just keep on watching. It's been so long since I did a how-to video. I think I did like a how-to cut crease a while ago, and I'll link that in the eye, and I'll also link it down below. But yeah, like I said, today we're doing a halo eye, which it's actually been a while since I did a halo eye, which is actually funny that I'm like doing a how-to video on something that I haven't done in a long time. But let's just get started. So I'm going to take a concealer to prime my eyes. You can use any concealer you want. I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I recommend this concealer because it's really, really nice. For that, I also recommend the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer, but just use whatever works for you. I feel like this concealer is a great dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Again, use whatever you like. I love this little bullet one because I feel like it gets in the inner corner of my eye really nicely. I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm not the best at doing eyebrows, so we're just going to ignore that. So yeah, I'm going to set that, and then I'm going to set that concealer with the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I'm going to set that concealer with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder just on this big flat brush. Just easier this way. Get everything all covered. I'm going to do one eye with you guys, and then I'm going to do one eye off camera for TikTok and all that stuff. So yeah. And to make it easier, I'm going to be using one palette, and I'm going to be using the Modern Dreamer palette by NYX. I really like this palette. Use whatever palette you want. Just make sure there's kind of like a gradient of lighter colors and darker colors, because that's kind of like the key to this look. And also a shimmer shade we're going to be using today. You do not need to use a shimmer shade to create a halo eye, but I feel like it does add to that really nice halo effect. So like I said, this is the palette that I'm going to be using. I definitely recommend this palette. Okay, so you guys will see that the key to the halo eye is really putting shades on the inner corner and the outer corner, like in a gradient effect. So first I'm going to take the third shade from the NYX palette. After I say NYX palette, I'm just going to say the palette, because like I said, we're only using one palette from here on out. So I'm going to take the third shade and just blend that into the outer corner and also the inner corner into the crease. And I'm doing that on a M433 brush. That same brush, we're going to use the fourth shade in that palette and just lightly put that also in the inner corner and the outer corner, just a little bit lower than where we put that shade. Now on this Juvia's Place fluffy pointed brush, I'm going to take the second shade in the second brow, put that on the outer corner and the inner corner. You guys can kind of see like a pattern, but I'm putting it slightly under it and slightly next to it, so you can just see that blending effect. I'm going to wipe off that brush. I'm going to take the last shade in the first row, which is like this burgundy shade, and on that same brush, just put it in the same spots that we were. And as you can see, I'm kind of leaving the middle empty, and that's also like a big part of a halo eye, is leaving the middle empty. And if you get a little bit of eyeshadow in the middle, don't worry about it, because we're going to clean it up with concealer in a little bit. On this Morphe Chrome brush, I'm going to take the fourth shade in the second row, which is like a darker brown, so you want to be careful with this, and put it on the outer corner. Then also, you guessed it, in the inner corner as well. Okay, and I'm gonna take the last shade in the second to last row, which is like this dark brown, and put that in the outer corner again and into the inner corner. Now for the critical part, I'm gonna take the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, the M124 brush, and basically I'm just gonna go in the middle and kind of like cut the crease in the middle and lightly blend out the sides. But you want to create a sharp line in the middle at the top. Now I'm going to take the first shade in the palette, which is a white, and just set that concealer. And I'm also blending out the sides a little bit more with this. I'm going to take that same Juvia's Place brush that we've been using for the sides and just make sure that is really blended out. On this small flat brush, we're going to take the first shade in the second row, which is like this gold, and put it in the middle of my eye. You guys see that? You see how it's like has like a halo effect? So now we're gonna do liner, but we're not gonna do a wing liner. We're just gonna kind of do a liner to conceal the lash line. So I'm gonna go off camera, do my foundation, do my other eye, and all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and do the under eye with you guys. I think I'm just gonna do the same steps that I did at the top, so like take the same colors and just put them on the bottom, but I'll come back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I went off camera and did my foundation and my other eye and all that good stuff. So now we're gonna do my under eye. I'm gonna take the M421 brush, and I'm gonna take the fourth shade in the first row, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye. Now on that same brush, I'm going to take the last shade, which is like the burgundy shade, in the first row, and put that in the same spot. Okay, and that's the darkest I'm going to go for the bottom. So now I'm just going to take this small angled brush, and I'm going to take the second shade in the first row, which is like that gold shimmer shade, and put that in the middle, the bottom, just to match the top. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys, even though I know I just went off camera and put on a lash, and come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I just put on a lash, and now I am back. Oh, for lips, I just lined my lips with this Juvia's Place lip liner, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, this is the finished halo eye. I think it looks so good. Let me know what you guys think down below. So yeah, if this video taught you how to do a halo eye, then you should subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below saying that you learned something. If you didn't learn anything and you enjoyed this video, or have a few tips and tricks for me on how to achieve like the perfect halo eye, or how to improve on my halo eye, you should also subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on how I can do those things. If you like me, if you like this video, you should still give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm trying to reach a goal by the end of the year. I'm thinking if I should leave my lower my goal to 500. It was at 1,000, but like I'm trying to be a little bit more realistic, even though they say like you should have big goals, but maybe my goal will be 500. So if you like me, if you like this video, please subscribe. I would love to have you join the channel. Hi to all my new subscribers, hi to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. I love you all so much. Yeah, if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you want to watch my how to achieve cut crease, that'll also be in the eye and link down below, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, if you want to see more how-to videos, just leave a comment down below on what I should do for the next how-to video. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm not like this amazing makeup artist who you should be taking tips from. I'm just a regular person, but I feel like that's the best type of people to take tips from, because you know they have similar products as you know they have similar skills as you, and yeah. I don't really have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.